the site of a Celtic settlement prior to the Roman occupation. In the 12th century, the town We are now coming into Yarmouth and will shortly pass over the modern swing bridge, which opens hourly throughout the summer months to allow boats to moor in the naturally protected harbour. As we approach Yarmouth bus station at the end of our journey, we would like to thank you for travelling on the Southern Vectis Needles Breezer. This is the interchange point for Southern Vectis services to Newport and our island coaster service towards Ventnor, Shanklin and Sandown.